The food and beverage industry continues to evolve rapidly with new advances in technology and consumer preferences. Embracing these changes is essential for companies to remain competitive and resilient. Food and beverage regulations are complex, and determining the best methods for compliance, protection of assets, staff, and consumers can be challenging. Did you know that unplanned downtime costs manufacturers a staggering amount annually? Production inefficiencies are a constant hurdle, leading to delays and reduced output. Picture this: production comes to a halt, significantly impacting productivity. Unexpected equipment failures add to these challenges, causing downtime, costly repairs, and replacement of assets. Compounding these issues is the crucial task of maintaining high-quality standards and compliance. Our solutions help food and beverage continuously innovate to stay ahead of the game. With optimized asset performance, reduced downtime, and extended equipment lifetime, we help food and beverage maintain a secure and centralized repository for important documents related to food production. Our advanced inventory management system optimizes stock levels, striking the perfect balance between availability and cost-effectiveness. We offer comprehensive preventive and predictive maintenance tools, allowing businesses to schedule routine maintenance activities and predict equipment failures before they occur. And it doesn't stop there. Our IoT technology is enabling F&B companies to collate and analyze data from multiple sources, including sensors and devices. Finally, effective energy management in the F&B industry is not just a preference, but a business necessity to optimize energy usage. Empower your organization with data-driven insights. Make informed strategic decisions and turn your data into intelligence. Discover smart technologies for food and beverage manufacturing.